Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is an almost new 2017 Chevy Colorado Z71 extended cab four-wheel drive. Stock number B8991A. Only 5,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Colorado brand new, just took it back in on trade. Silver ice metallic in color. After our thorough inspection, it does, of course, qualify for our certified used vehicle program, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which also includes emergency roadside assistance, towing, rental reimbursement, and trip interruption service, all available nationwide. This Colorado seats 4, rear defrost for excellent visibility, sliding rear window for additional ventilation, soft tonneau cover, and of course, with only 5,000 miles, very clean inside and out, locking tailgate, backup camera, trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate, bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. Extended cab doors on both sides of the truck. This Z71 has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, shift on the fly, four-wheel drive with auto setting. Gauges, again, only 5,000 miles with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 8-inch touchscreen, Chevy MyLink infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Automatic temperature control, along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability and lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Colorado is a 3.6 liter direct injection V6. 308 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway. And again, only 5,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that certified warranty, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB 8991A to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.